Is it the right time to buy or sell First Majestic Silver stock? In this video, we're going to delve deep into First Majestic Silver. We initially published our report on our website on Tuesday, December 5, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 16, 2023, our system has ranked First Majestic Silver as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.29. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has surpassed our expectations, showing a gain of 13.28% since we first recommended buying First Majestic Silver 13 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has returned 1.02% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. Currently, the stock is in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This situation presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $6.25, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 2.28% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -22.93% to 7.15%. On the 12-month trend, we see a projected -35.49% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -64.25% to -32.76%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $2.13 to $4.01 after 1 year. Our latest update on First Majestic Silver brings you this headline: First Majestic Silver Corp stock price closed at $5.97 on Tuesday, reflecting a decrease of 1.97%. On Tuesday, December 5, 2023, the stock price of First Majestic Silver Corp dropped by 1.97%, falling from $6.09 to $5.97. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a 4.02% fluctuation, starting from a low of $5.85 and reaching a high of $6.09. It's noteworthy that the stock price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a 13.93% increase over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the decrease in volume on the last trading day aligns with the decrease in stock price, which can be considered a positive sign, as volume should typically follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $31.08 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $9.52, while the lowest was $4.38. Currently, the stock price sits 37.29% or $3.55 below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 75.14% or $18.04 below the all-time high reached on February 1, 2021, when the price peaked at $24.01. Analyst ratings. In a recent report on Tuesday, April 26, 2022, Zacks Investment Research upgraded AG with a hold grade. Analysts have given First Majestic Silver stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price-to-book ratio, both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more conservative view, giving the stock a rating of neutral. Here are the signals for First Majestic Silver. First Majestic Silver Corp stock currently has a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $5.98. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $5.35. A break above the short-term average would be a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would be a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals issued recently, which could impact the short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, December 1, 2023, resulting in a decline of -4.48% so far. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. The volume also decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's showing a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands are displaying a buy signal 23 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 2 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average shows a buy signal 14 days ago. If we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, it points to a buy signal 10 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 15 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 9 days ago. Considering the relationship between the short and long moving averages, it shows a buy signal 80 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and insights. Today, let's talk about First Majestic Silver and some important factors to consider when trading this stock. First Majestic Silver Corp has found support from accumulated volume at $5.68. This means that when the stock reaches this level, there may be a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. It's important to keep an eye on this level as it plays a crucial role in determining the stock's future movement. However, it's worth noting that this stock is considered to be high risk due to its volatility. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, suggesting that the stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day. It's essential to approach trading this stock with caution and be prepared for potential price swings. Looking at the recent performance, we can see that in the last day, the stock moved $0.235 between its high and low, representing a 4.02% change. Over the past week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 4.27%. These numbers highlight the potential for significant price movements. Before we explore the potential trading levels for First Majestic Silver, let's first go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is crucial as it compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is currently losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through down periods, often caused by external factors. However, if a company consistently has a negative PE ratio, it could be a sign of insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 22, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $0.100. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we will be discussing potential day trading levels for First Majestic Silver. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for First Majestic Silver is at $6.09. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, First Majestic Silver encounters its first support level at $5.68. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock's value. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for First Majestic Silver is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On May 14, 2019, Piper Veneta Lee conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On May 14, 2019, Piper Veneta Lee conducted another insider purchase, this time acquiring 22,055 shares of First Majestic Silver. On May 14, 2019, Piper Veneta Lee made an additional insider purchase of 0 shares. Going back a bit further, on April 15, 2011, First Majestic Silver Corp conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 4 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders have purchased a total of 22,055 shares and have not sold any shares in the last 4 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $5.67, which represents a decrease of 5.05%. It's important to note that this stock experiences high daily movements, which inherently brings about a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 78, further increasing the risk associated with this stock. Furthermore, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top that occurred 2 days ago. These factors should be taken into consideration when making investment decisions. Is First Majestic Silver stock worth buying? First Majestic Silver Corp shows several positive signals, but we still don't believe they are enough to consider it a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be seen as a hold candidate, meaning you should hold or accumulate your position while waiting for further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems determine that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, December 6th, we anticipate First Majestic Silver to open down by $0.0017 and start trading at $5.97. Before we dive into the content, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us provides information, but it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. Remember, you are responsible for your own investment decisions and their outcomes. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement by commenting below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe for more content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day ahead. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.